If you are looking for how to make money online in 2026, then I need to pay close attention to this video and make sure you watch it to the end. Today, I'm going to show you how Spotify paid me over $15,000, not from music, not from podcasts, and I'm not a music artist. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I sold on Spotify and how this business model works and how you can make money online using Spotify. So make sure you stay to the end of this video because I will show you exactly how you can get started with this business. Hello everyone, this is Bullion from Bullion Academy, and if you want more videos and updates on how to make money online, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, when most people hear Spotify, the first thing that comes to their mind is music. Some people think of podcasts. Very few people know that Spotify has quietly become one of the biggest audiobook publishing platforms in the whole world. Let me show you something. Take a look at this. These aren't songs, these are audiobooks, business books, self-help, romance, children's book, finance. Thousands of audiobooks are available on Spotify and millions of people listen to them every day. Now here's where it gets interesting. Spotify isn't just helping people discover audiobooks, it's creating another way for publishers to reach out to listeners who prefer audiobooks over traditional reading. Think about it. People listening while they are driving, people prefer to listen to audiobooks. Listening has become part of people's daily routine. That's one of the reasons the audiobook industry continues to grow year after year. In fact, the audiobook market is projected to exceed over $13.9 billion. And that is a huge shift in how people consume books. Now let me show you my dashboard. One of the things I pay close attention to is where my audience comes from. Take a look at this. Most of my audience comes from the United States, Australia, United Kingdom, and Canada. These are some of the biggest audiobook markets in the world. This is why understanding your audience matters just as publishing your content. By the way, if you are serious about learning how to make money online in 2026, not by chasing every new trend, but by building a real audiobook publishing business, reach out to me using the link in the description box below. This is Bullion from Bullion Academy. Make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright? Spotify paid me about $15,000, not because I know how to publish, but because I know how to make money from publishing. So share this video and comment audiobook in the comment section if you want to get started on how to make money with using Spotify, not just by listening to songs. If you are a publisher, you are an author, reach out to me if you want to turn your books into audiobooks and make money from Spotify. Share this video to your friends because most people completely ignore audiobooks. They all focus on ebooks. The audiobook is the next gold mine in making money online niche. If you know somebody that knows how to publish on KDP or is an author or a publisher that focuses on ebooks, share this video to them, alright, so they can know that audiobook publishing is the next gold mine they can make money online in 2026. This is Bullion from Bullion Academy. I don't have to dive much in this video because there's a lot to talk about in this particular topic. You can check out my other videos. You can check the comment section and comment audiobooks. Check the description box video and check my playlist because I have other videos on how I talk and teach how to make money online using audiobook publishing. This is Bullion from Bullion Academy. Share these videos and have a nice day.